Good morning, everyone. Welcome. I'm so excited to have you for Bridal Army TV. I'm really excited. Welcome to the new format of Dawn's Bridal Army, or as it will be called, Bridal Business TV from now on. So in today's video, I'm just going to give you a quick introduction, a quick overview. I'm going to give you your social updates and just tell you exactly what is going on behind the scenes of Dawn's Bridal Army. Well, to begin with, I am rebranding Dawn's Bridal Army, and it's going to be called Bridal Business School. As you guys know, some of you have seen that I've started to rebrand everything. The website will be changing as well, and that will be completed as of the mid to end of February, and it'll be called Bridal Business School. That you guys can still see all of my old posts, anything else that I've done before. Everything's still going to be there. It's just going to look a little bit different. And every week we're going to have Bridal Business TV, which I'm really super duper excited about. So every week now, it's going to be Mondays. My live TV is going to be every Monday on Facebook and hopefully on Instagram as of next week. The format of the show is going to basically be that once a month I'm going to be giving you guys a social update. If there's any kind of breaking news, anything that changes that I think is really important, I'll be doing that at the beginning of the show each week. Other than that, you're going to see a schedule posted every month in the new Bridal Business Monthly magazine, and it will tell you exactly what's coming up, exactly what training I'm going to be doing over the next few weeks, give or take a few differences, but most of the time that's the schedule I'm going to be sticking to, unless something comes up with this wonderful platform, especially I should say Facebook. If anything comes up with our wonderful platforms that I feel like we need to really talk about, then I might change things around. But pretty much the schedule that you see in the new Bridal Business magazine, you guys can see my new magazine. It's totally free. You can go and read it at any time. You can go to, at the moment, dawnsbridalarmy.com/bridal-business-magazine. So you guys can go and read that. And that will tell you exactly what's coming up over the next month. Now, a couple of things I wanted to say today. I'm going to give you a social update in a second. So we're going to talk about what's happening with social media. I also want to tell you guys about Bridal Business Bootcamp. Now, this is my all new free training. It is 5 days of Bridal Business Bootcamp. It's all about building your business for a successful 2018. It's totally free. You guys can go to dawnsbridalarmy.com/bootcamp and sign up. This is all about, we're going to be ready to find the most amazing brides. We're going to be looking at how we can create our services and products so they're really irresistible to our brides. So go to dawnsbridalarmy.com/bootcamp. You'll find all of the details there. Now, let's get on with your social updates. Facebook well, let's face it, they're running out of space. So Facebook have been trialing a second newsfeed, which I think that we're probably going to see fairly soon. That is probably one of the most major changes I think Facebook are going to make. I would say within the next few months. It wouldn't surprise me. Now, the new newsfeed that they've been trialing, I'm not 100% sure how it's going to work, but it's all about where we're going to see our posts from our business pages that we follow. It's going to be in sort of one news feed, and then we're going to have ads maybe in the other news feed. I mean, who knows? Maybe we'll see ads throughout. Facebook need to provide, I guess, businesses with space to be able to run their ads, and with the amount of people that are using Facebook ads right now, it's pretty tough. So that, I think that we're going to see that coming really soon. I think another thing that we're going to see with Facebook is just a lot more. You may have seen actually that our reach has dropped. I think the reach is just, I don't think it's going to hit zero, but I really think it's just going to hover around that 1 to 3% for organic reach. Now, organic reach meaning that those people that see your posts without you having to pay any money, without you having to boost it or create it as an advert. So organic reach is when people see your posts from your business pages without you having to pay for them to see it. So I think that organic reach is going to stay around that 1 to 3%. You might also see that your personal newsfeed has done the same thing. It's got quite a low reach on it. I think that that's got something to do with the fact that people were running their businesses from their personal pages, and Facebook have said all along that you can't do that. You have to have a proper personal profile name. So those of you that were, for example, Dawn Rose makeup artist on your personal profiles, a lot of people got told off by Facebook, if not got their personal profiles shut down if they didn't change them. So you can't run your business from your personal profile. Now, that's not to say that you can't post things on your personal profile related to your business. It's just, if that's all you're using it for, be careful, be really careful. Now, I've heard in some of the Facebook forums that they're shutting down accounts for that reason. Another thing you have seen from Facebook is those mid-rolls. So have you guys seen, you've watched a video and then about 15 seconds in, suddenly there's an ad. Now, Facebook said that they weren't going to do that, but clearly they are. Just like we do see sometimes with YouTube. It's the same kind of format as YouTube, that you kind of start watching a video and then you'll see an ad in the middle of the video. Facebook are doing exactly the same thing. So be warned, if you haven't seen that yet, if you're watching videos on Facebook, they are going to cut out sometimes and you're going to get an ad in the middle of them. And I have to say that the few times that it's happened to me, I've just clicked off because I can't be bothered to watch the video, the ad, I should say. Are our consumers all doing that? I would think so. So who knows? Who knows? I also want to run through a little bit on, I think that's enough about Facebook. We'll go through now onto Instagram. One of the biggest things with Instagram is the new hashtag, the follow hashtag. You can now look at your favorite hashtags and you can hit the follow button on them, which I think is really, really cool. I love that. Especially when we're posting work. Well, we're going to be giving a lot of our work, I get you guys to hashtag, Dawn's Bridal Army all the time. And I've seen people put, they tag me in sometimes, but they also use that hashtag. I love seeing everyone's creative work. So I think it's great that I can follow that rather than have to keep, going through and searching and finding that. I can have that come up and it actually then comes up in my newsfeed in Instagram, which I love it. I absolutely love that idea of being able to follow a hashtag. So your favorite hashtags now, go over onto Instagram and hit the follow button so that they come up in your newsfeed. So anything that's new coming up, you'll see it straight away. I think that's really, really cool. Now, I do actually want to say one more thing with Facebook. And I just want to talk about following Facebook rules very, very quickly. Facebook have rules when it comes to competitions and when it comes to what you are posting on your platforms, on your business pages. Competitions are really important for you to adhere to. You can't just post a competition on your Facebook pages that says, like, comment and share this post in order to win X, Y, and Z. You can't do that anymore. Specifically, you can't ask for shares, or you can't ask people to tag other people in either. So be aware of that you can't ask. There are rules. I think what I'm going to do is I will drop the rules. You'll see the rules in this Facebook feed, in this news feed here on Bridal Business School. I'm going to drop the rules in so you guys can see exactly what it is that Facebook do and don't allow you to do. It's really important that you follow these rules because, again, if you don't follow these rules, Facebook will just shut you down, and I really don't want that to happen for you. So make sure that you do follow the rules. Also, one of Facebook's biggest kind of new things is about what they call baited posts. Okay, a baited post is, again, very similar to the rules of competitions. Are, tag your friends to do this, or comment or share if you agree. That's what they call a baited post. You're actually asking your followers to like, comment and share on your post and it's going to get less reach in a newsfeed when Facebook sees those kind of things. Facebook's algorithm is really, really sophisticated. It can determine the types of posts that you're producing, and if you are trying to always get people to tag, like, comment, share, and you're always asking for that kind of thing, I think it's probably okay that you do it on the odd times. This isn't something that you should be doing all the time when you're making a post. You know, like this if you agree, or comment here if you feel like this is you, or tag a bridesmaid if you think this will be, you know, if this is something that they would love. It's not a good way to increase your feed. In fact, you'll find that posts get hidden for that reason. And one more thing when it comes to rules, and it's about sharing. And I made this big mistake the other day. I was sharing out the Bridal Business magazine into the education groups that I'm in for hair and makeup, but I did it too many times. So limit, if you're sharing out your work in other groups, limit it to like 3 a day. Don't do it like I did. I was like, oh, I can post this because I'm part of that group, and it's all, the way I saw it was, I'm part of this group and I am, it's relevant to hair and makeup artists, and I'm not posting anything. I'm not asking them to like, comment and share. I'm literally just sharing posts. And there's no, the other thing with me was that there was no, I didn't ask for anyone to opt in or anything. The magazine's completely free for you guys to read. You can just go straight to that page and read it. But because I shared that post out on loads of different places, Facebook blocked me for about 24 hours. I couldn't do anything on my page. I couldn't like, I couldn't comment, I couldn't post anything. So Facebook had blocked me. So be aware. It was because, and it was only because, not because I was sharing out something that was not relevant. It was because I shared it out too many times. So be aware that if you are in bridal groups and you've got, you know, some specials that you want to share with some of the brides that follow, we have Brides and Grooms Victoria, we have Brides and Grooms Melbourne. These are all Facebook groups that I'm a part of. Just be warned that if you have an offer or a special or something that you'd like to share with your groups, share it to sort of 2 or 3 a day and kind of spread it out. Don't do what I did and kind of think, oh yeah, I'll just share it with all my groups, and then not think, oh, actually I shouldn't have done that, because it looks like I'm trying to spam. That's what it is. If you're doing something over and over again to Facebook, it's like, what's this person doing? They're trying to spam, you know, Facebook readers. So be aware that when you do have something to share with other groups, that you must do it, you know, 2 or 3 at a time. That is it. That's what I wanted to say when it comes to your social update for January. As I said, any breaking news that comes out, I will share with you guys again. But every Monday morning, you will find me now live on Facebook at 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. If you want me to answer any questions, please drop them in the comments below, or just post them to the page or in our Facebook group. I'm excited with the changes that are coming up, everyone. So do leave me your comments. Do let me know if you want to see anything from me this year, anything that you want me to specifically talk about. I do want to talk about chatbots a little bit. You guys might have seen that there are a few chatbots going on. Chatbots are where you might go to message someone on Messenger and an automatic message comes up. So I think we'll talk a little bit more in depth about that in one of the coming training videos. But guys, don't forget to join Bridal Business Bootcamp. Go to dawnsbridalarmy.com/bootcamp. Let's get started with this year. Let's really kick off 2018 with the most amazing business possible. And I shall see you guys next week. All right, take care for now. Bye.